Yes, hello. Welcome back to Learn and Share once again. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos, and let's keep watching, and more videos are coming. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install Windows 11 on a machine that is not compatible. Yes, Windows 11 has specific specs. Yes, it has specific specifications that Microsoft requires for us to install Windows 11. However, right now I'm running actually Windows 11 on my PC. However, it does not meet the required specifications. So you're wondering how I installed it. I'm going to show you how I did it. So if you download the PC health check, it will show you whether your PC is compatible or not compatible with Windows 11. I have posted the link to the PC health checker on the description. You find it there, download it, and then check if your PC is compatible or not. So let me check and show you. Yes, Microsoft is telling me that this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. These are the requirements that Microsoft needs. It must support secure boot. TPM 2.0 must be supported and enabled in this PC. And also the processor isn't currently supported for Windows. My processor is actually Intel Core i7, as you can see, with a processor speed of 2.3 gigahertz. It's saying it's not supported. However, I managed to install Windows 11 on this very machine that is not supported. So how did I do it? Let's get started. Alright. Yes, this is my Toshiba Satellite S855, and this is what you're going to do. Now you're going to first download Windows 10 and Windows 11. You will download Windows 10 and Windows 11 in your computer. Yes, so this is Windows 10 and this is Windows 11. Also, you download Rufus. I have included the link to these the Windows, the Rufus, which will assist us to make a bootable USB drive. That will assist us in installing the Windows. Yes, so after downloading Windows 10 and Windows 11, open Rufus and then plug in your USB device. This is the Rufus that will help us make a bootable USB drive. Yes, it is detected right away. It is there. This is my USB drive. It's 7 GB. So I need to make I'm going to create a bootable USB disk that will run Windows 10 first. Yes, I want to install Windows 11, but I'm going to create a bootable disk that runs Windows 10. So I'll select the ISO file from here, locate where my ISO file is on the desktop. There is my Windows 10 ISO file. When I open it, it's ready to go. You click on the start button to make your bootable USB drive. Alright. After creating the Windows 10 bootable USB drive, as you can see, it's right here. This is the drive that has my Windows 10 active. I will open the Windows 11 folder as well. I will open the Windows 11 ISO file. As you can see, I have something similar here, but this is Windows 11 and this is Windows 10. What am I supposed to do now? I'm going to go to the sources for Windows 11, Windows 10 first. I'll also go to the sources of Windows 11. Yes, this is the file that we are going to replace. Remember, this is the one on my left is Windows 11. This is Windows 10. So we are going to replace these two files. I will copy the WIM file, that is install.wim file from Windows 11, and then replace. I'll delete this one first and then replace it. I'll delete it and then paste it here. Just like that. It's now copying the install.wim from Windows 11 to Windows 10 that is installed in our USB drive. After that, you are ready to install Windows 11 in your machine. Yes, just follow the right procedure for installing Windows. If you don't know how to install the Windows, I will also explain how to install Windows in next videos. Thanks so much for following, and if you haven't hit the subscription button, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you again. See you next time.